The lip is on, guys. Oh, first scrapes.
Casually got my ultimate dream car just sitting right here. Oh damn! TJ Hunt's old car. What is up YouTube? Welcome back to another video. It is currently 7:31 in the morning. I don't know if you guys know this, but I'm not a morning person. I fell asleep at like 3 in the morning. Woke up right now at 6 something. And today is Nissfest. Another year, another Nissfest I'm gonna be attending with the same person. All these past, what is it, like 5 years? No, since 2018. So that's 5 years, right? These past 5 years, this man has never failed me. For 5 years going strong, baby. What's up?
What's up?
The Z got detailed yesterday. Looking so fire. And we also got the lip back. Shout out my boys Danny and Luis. Wrapped this thing super last minute. Got it done. It's so fire. We're back with the lip, guys. Gloss black. Oh my gosh, this looks fire. These guys never disappoint, bro. Never. Running a little bit late. Gonna go ahead and slap this on really quick. Hopefully it doesn't take us too long, and hopefully it stays on. Team, we got this?
Got this.
I hope so. Yes, sir. Ready to go.
The lip is on, guys. Oh, first scrapes of the lip being on. Perfect.
Alright guys, made it to the E station. Time to no! I got 85 on my freshly detailed car. That should be. Alright guys, we made it. Been sitting in this line for like 20 minutes.
2,000 years later.
Alright guys, made it in the show. Got here a little too late. I wasn't able to go inside. Still a pretty good spot. Probably looking fire. Let's go ahead and walk around and see what's here. Let's start with the car that's right next to us. 300ZX. I always love these cars. I need to build one day. It'd be super sick to be able to throw like an RB in one of these. But all that stuff is lots of money. If I'm not mistaken, this 370 looks like it has, yeah, it does. It has 2 tollmates, bro. What the f? That's sick. Never seen this before. I wonder how it sounds. Yeah, this Q is super sick, bro. I love this color. Damn, is it a girl too? That's sick. This thing is super nice. Sup, sir?
What's up, dog?
How are you?
Good.
Car's looking good?
Fucking club late as fuck last night.
I see your stories.
I forgot this shit on.
Got a pretty clean Q right here. With the chrome. What are these fucking wheels called? 57 DRs, right? Something like that? They're sick though. Damn, this thing's on the floor, bro. Oh, this is pretty clean, dude. Simple and clean. Damn, got a Q60 on the Nismos. Fire. And the Q50, gotta show love to my Q50 boys. Damn, I should slap it this much, Loki. Should look sick. Got another Z on some Rays. Some meaty fitment, I like it. It's pretty clean, I like it. Damn, my boy's gutted in this vert. Got this peach Z on the chrome TEs. Okay, I see you, bro. You can never go wrong with this one V1s on a Q, bro. This thing is very clean. Got the honeycomb. Okay, I see you. Got a pink G. Very nice, very nice. Bro, this freaking Q is fire. Damn, that's just sick. It's probably the sickest Q I've seen here so far. And this one right next to it is clean too. There's hella clean cars here, not gonna lie. Alright, I think I take that back. I think this one tops the other Q. Can never go wrong with Meisters, bro. Damn, this was actually a setup that I wanted to do on the Q when I was super interested in modding it. Red, carbon fiber, Workmeisters. This thing looks super fire. Oh, the gray one on the Meisters too? This is on my car what it look like. If I put, what's a different bumper? Put carbon headlights and Meisters. Man, this shit's clean. What the? G37 has some super stocks on it. I never seen that before. Pretty sick. Damn, super clean G37 right here on the TEs. That's fire. Oh, and a Q60 right next to it. This thing's super nice. I'm telling you, bro, there's so many clean cars here. This Q60 on the TEs. I should have been got TEs years ago, bro. That's been my dream wheel since before I got the Z. I don't know why I haven't got it, to be honest. Oh, bro, this is fire. V2 Nismo on the black chrome V1 Nismos. That's fire.
See that JZ36?
No, leave me alone, bro. Leave me alone.
You walked up to me.
I don't know if you guys remember, but last year I was parked right here. I should have parked it here again, to be honest. Got a crazy R32 right here. Got a little small turbo, you know, nothing big. Oh my goodness, this thing is fire. On the TEs. Whoa! Casually got my ultimate dream car just sitting right here. That's crazy, bro. This car's worth more than my house, probably. One day you'll see me in one of these. Got the new Z right here. Looks good in the gray. Bro, this has to be one of the sickest cars here. Imagine driving this, bro. I'm assuming he's tuned by Special DG. That's sick. It looks like they made the stock two-piece wheel. Looks sick. You on the B-lock. Full carbon fiber too. That's hard, bro. This is the hardest 370Z here, bro. No cap. So freaking fire. This is the owner's car, bro. Super sick. Boosted 370Z on Workmeisters. I think this is actually the sickest 370Z here. Super fire. This man bagged it, bro. Shitting on everybody. Amnesty is clean on the V1 Nismos. Damn, got the intake out here. Ain't playing no games. Got my boy Jeff Super over here. Top mount. I think he told me he makes like 800 wheel, 900 foot-pounds of torque. Gotta get a phone run with him once the Z is dialed in. Be sick. Get gap for the one time. I really want a Super, guys. Really, really bad. Ain't no way, bro. We got a 350Z Doom buggy over here. That's sick. What the heck? He casually has some more than R-pipe right here in the passenger seat. Damn, imagine this thing shooting flames. Alright guys, took a little break from the show. Gonna grab some food. This was like the nearest thing, King Taco. Thank you. Little lunch break.
20 minutes later.
I'm not gonna lie, this is probably one of the worst Mexican restaurant experiences I've ever had. Food was absolutely ass. Service was ass. Yeah, don't come here. We came and grabbed from Starbucks and everybody wants to pay. So I'm gonna have the girl pick. Can you pick? The phone or the card? Like random pick. Alright.
I told you.
Thank you.
Wow.
I'm on my white girl shit today. I need to wake up, bro. I'm on like 2 hours of sleep. I've slept like 2 hours for the past 2 days, guys. I'm fucking...
Just kidding.
No, seriously though, I'm like tired. Hopefully this wakes me up. Got this M340 right here in the parking lot. Super stocks. Looks pretty sick. Oh, damn. TJ Hunt's old car. He gave it away already?
Yeah.
I didn't even see this earlier. Whoa. Well, this thing is sick. Damn, this thing makes me want to get a Z. The color is so fire too. Damn, I could have put my Q in here. That's crazy, bro. I'm assuming this is brand new from Downey Nissan. The car looks the same as mine, literally. Well, I mean, just different bumper. Obviously, different color interior. Different steering wheel. Different taillights, but other than that, it's the same car. My car is a 2015. That's the one thing I like about that car, bro, is that it looks timeless. It looks brand new. Like, for somebody that doesn't really know, it looks like a 2023. Yeah, this dude is sick. Full carbon fiber front end on the drag pack. Okay, I see you. Got a dyno over here. It's a red eye, I believe. On a fat tire, lead locks. Damn, that idle sounds freaking sick, okay? This car is hard, bro, I'm not gonna lie. Got the bead-locks on the white body. Got myself a little shirt. I don't really ever buy myself clothes, bro. I've never seen these ones before. They're pretty sick. So for this part of the show, there's drifting. Bro, don't tell me we came when it's over. No way, we literally came when it's over. Drift car. Coming in hot. Alright, that's it. I'm buying a drift car. Got a random Mark IV right here on TEs. Must be nice. One day. Got more Z fam over here. On the Meisters, okay, sir. 370. Got a clean HR over here. This one bumper. Black chrome RPF1. Damn, it's on too. Damn, my boy's good as hell. Bro. There's nothing in here, bro. Must be nice to be fast.
I'm too slow, bro.
I was randomly walking by this Q60. That made me laugh, bro. I'm not gonna lie. Fuck you, Dude, this one's sick. I think it's boosted, right? Yep. And Nissfest 2023 is a wrap. For me, at least. I'm out of here. Super, super hot. Met a lot of cool people today. Saw a lot of cool cars. Can't wait till the next one. I'll try to have an even crazier setup.